Okay, today I wanted to look at anagrams. An anagram is two words that are made up of the same letters. So basically, to check if something is an anagram, we're going to take two words and we're going to compare them. Okay. And to do this, let's start with our. We're going to return true, or we're going to return false. And so to check if something is an anagram, we're going to take these two words. All right. The computer is going to. We're going to call the function like this, and it's going to be an array, and we're going to check something like Earth. So this is an anagram, Earth and heart. So these are two words that are made up of the same letters. So theoretically, this should return true if we do everything correctly, God willing, inshallah. Let's check. So, let me see. Okay. So, what is the first step? Well, we're going to want to compare these two words. So, do we want to iterate through them? I'm going to take the first word equal to two words index 0, and the second word from the two words index 1. So those are our two words, and I want to split them on nothing. So I want to split them character by character. Okay. I think that works. And then if first word is equal to second word, return true. And else return false. Now, I don't think this is going to be enough. I think we need to call the sort function on these, and then that will arrange the letters, because when we call the split function with a separator of nothing, it splits it into an array of single characters, and then that array of single characters can be sorted with a sort function, and then finally we can join them back together the same way we split them. Let's give it a go. True. Okay. That returned true. I did not expect that to work. I wonder, we can check the functionality of our function by using console log. So before we do anything, the first words, the words look like this. Okay. Comma. First word. Wait. What? The two words. Okay. words look like this. Okay, before we do anything, the words look like this. Earth and heart. Okay. And after, the words look like first word plus new line. Second word. Okay. Before we do anything, the words look like this. After, the words look like this. And we compare them and return true or false. Okay? Okay. Thank you.